Are you tired of trading time for money? Looking for ways to make money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, a game changer in the pursuit of financial freedom. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about smart strategies that let your money work for you. It's a shift from active income, where you're paid for your time, to a model where you earn even when you're not actively working. Intrigued? Let's dive into 7 passive income ideas to help you achieve financial freedom. First up, consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. This is one of the most traditional ways to generate passive income. But what exactly does this mean when you invest in a dividend-paying stock? You're essentially buying a small part of a company. These companies distribute a portion of their profits back to shareholders in the form of dividends. The beauty of this is, as a shareholder, you get a slice of the profit pie. Without any extra work, these dividends can be used in a variety of ways. You can take them as cash payments, or you can reinvest them to buy more shares, thereby increasing your future dividends. This is the magic of compounding. Your wealth grows exponentially over time. The key is to pick stable companies that have a history of paying reliable dividends. By purchasing shares in companies that pay dividends, you can earn a steady stream of passive income. Next, think about starting a blog or YouTube channel. This isn't just for the tech-savvy or the extroverts. It's for anyone with a passion, a hobby, or a unique perspective. You see, your voice matters, and there's an audience out there eager to hear what you have to say. Here's how it works. By creating content that's valuable and compelling, you attract viewers. These viewers then become a part of your online community, and this is where the magic happens. With enough viewers, you can generate revenue through advertising. Companies are always looking for ways to reach new audiences, and your blog or YouTube channel could be the perfect platform. But it doesn't stop at advertising. You can also earn through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. You recommend a product or service, and when your viewers make a purchase, you get a commission. By creating valuable content that attracts viewers, you can earn money passively. Another great passive income idea is to write and self-publish an ebook. Now, you don't have to be a seasoned author to do this. Pick a topic you're passionate about, or one that you have a good deal of knowledge in. Start by outlining your book, then gradually fill in the chapters. Remember, consistency is key here. Write a little every day, and before you know it, you'll have a complete manuscript. Now on to the self-publishing bit. There are many platforms you can use, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. They make the process quite straightforward. You upload your book, choose your price, and voila, your book is available to millions of potential readers worldwide. The beauty of this passive income idea is that the hard work is mostly upfront. Once you've written the book, you can sit back and watch the royalties roll in. And remember, those royalties can keep coming for years to come. If you have a spare room in your house, consider renting it out on Airbnb. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, the beauty of Airbnb is that it allows you to turn that empty space into a cash cow. It's essentially a way for you to earn money from your property without having to sell it. You see, when you rent out your property on Airbnb, you're not just renting it out for the night or for the weekend. You're providing a unique, personalized experience for travelers. And the best part, they're willing to pay for it, often more than what traditional hotels charge. Now, managing an Airbnb does require some effort. You'll need to keep the property clean, communicate with guests, and manage bookings. But with tools and automation features provided by Airbnb, these tasks can be significantly streamlined. Remember, every effort you put into this can lead to a steady stream of income, making it well worth your while. This can be a great way to earn passive income from your property. Another idea for generating passive income is investing in real estate crowdfunding. But what does that mean? Well, imagine a group of investors coming together to buy a property. Each contributes a small portion of the total cost, and in return, they share in the profits from rental income or the eventual sale of the property. It's like being part of a virtual real estate investment trust. What's the upside? You get to be part of potentially lucrative real estate deals without the need for a massive capital outlay. Plus, you don't have to deal with the day-to-day hassles of being a landlord. It's all managed for you. Of course, like any investment, there are risks. Property values can go down as well as up. But with careful selection and a diversified portfolio, real estate crowdfunding can be a viable part of your passive income strategy. By pooling your money with other investors, you can earn passive income without the hassle of being a landlord. Creating an online course is another great way to earn passive income. In this digital age, knowledge is a sought-after commodity. And what better way to share what you know than through an online course? It could be something you're professionally skilled at, or even a hobby you're passionate about. The beauty of creating an online course is that you put in the work up front, and then reap the rewards over and over again. You craft your content once and it keeps on giving. You might be wondering about the technical aspects. Well, there are numerous platforms out there that make the process of creating and hosting your course quite straightforward. The key here is to ensure that your course offers real value, something that solves a problem or fulfills a need for your audience. So go ahead, package your knowledge into a course and let it generate income for you while you sleep. Once you've created the course, you can sell it to students around the world. And finally, consider investing in peer-to-peer lending. This avenue of passive income is as intriguing as it is innovative. Essentially, peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P, is a system where you as an investor lend money directly to individuals or businesses through an online platform. In return, you earn interest on the money you've lent out. Think of it as playing the bank, but with an added layer of flexibility and personal control. These platforms create a direct bridge between lender and borrower, cutting out the traditional financial institutions and offering potentially higher returns than your standard savings account. It's important, however, to understand that like any investment, P2P lending comes with its share of risks, but with careful consideration, due diligence and a diversified portfolio, these risks can be managed. By lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms, you can earn passive income through interest payments. A smart move for the savvy investor, wouldn't you agree? So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. From investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating content online, writing an ebook, renting out space, to crowdfunding real estate, creating online courses, and peer-to-peer lending, each offers a unique path to earning money while you slumber. So why not take the leap today? Start building your financial future now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money while you sleep.